you are just right on. I almost think that you should be an investor.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and you pretty much are right on. I mean, what it is really finding that spread, if you will, what the house could be worth if it was fixed up, and what the seller is willing to sell it for. Seller, the buyer, they both make educated decisions, because really what a house is worth is not just what I think it's worth or what the seller thinks it's worth, or when I go to sell, what my buyer thinks it's worth. The true value of a house is what we agree upon. And so it's making sure there's enough room where you could do the repairs and then still make a profit. And now remember, it's not just about repairs, it's also about your holding costs. You know, a lot of people don't take that into consideration. How much does this property cost you per month? What are your utilities? What are your insurance? You know, what are your advertising costs going to be? What is your time worth to go and to drive and to meet with contractors? I mean, these are all factors that you really, really have to take into consideration. But you're right. I mean, it's just finding something that you can, you know, that needs work. Because think about it. How many people out there? I mean, you know, ask yourself this: if you could get top dollar for your house, why wouldn't you? I mean, you would, but a lot of people can't, because the house is either in such disrepair, or what I'm seeing a lot of right now is when the interest rates drop, people ran out and they bought another house, a bigger, a better one. You know, let's keep up with the Joneses, when they couldn't afford the first one. So now they're desperate and they're like, dear God, just get it away from me, take it off my back. And so, you know,
my monthly payment.
Yeah, get rid of my monthly payment. And they're not, what people say is, oh, how can you rob people of their equity? That's not what we're doing. What we're giving them is peace of mind, because for anyone that's been in debt, at the end of the day, all you want is your pain to go away, and you just want to just be able to sleep at night. Yeah.
And if you live in the average consumer's world, you want your credit to stay somewhere near acceptable, so you can buy your next car, you know, when it comes out. So.